Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
Salam Samoa, I'm Jack Ty Laban. For any competition, I'm all about speed, skills, culture, and of course, my Texas. Wa'ualia.
O lawin siwa e au wala i se te unga tupe mo le lumanai manuia. E mole puipuinga tau tupe o lo soifua, mai mawhai o na taunu no atu, mo so se mahua anga i te whina ngalo iai.
Samoa Life, le insiua mo tangata nuu o Samoa.
We're here to give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with a quota.
A feel my nei loyal Federal Pacific Finance no so mana onga tau tupe.
Salofalava and welcome. Honorable Minister of Tourism, Apionga Toisurusuru Cedric Susta, CEO of the Samoan Tourism Authority, Pativaine Petaya Tevita, Onomea Board Member Dr. Petaomi, Director and Founder of Onomea Productions, Waitoa Peletisala Toilupe, and esteemed members of Onomea Productions. Reigning Miss Samoa Hailani Kurupu, members of the Samoan media, ladies and gentlemen, and our Digicel. Good afternoon and welcome to this exciting moment of celebration and empowerment. It is truly an honor for me to stand here before you today as we announce the 10 official contestants for the upcoming Miss Samoa Pageant. This event holds a special place in our hearts as it embodies the values of our Samoan culture, beauty, intellect, and resilience that Samoa as a nation holds together. At Digicel, we believe in connecting communities, empowering individuals, and fostering opportunities for growth. Our commitment to the people of Samoa goes beyond providing exceptional telecommunication services as it extends to supporting initiatives that uplift and inspire, just like the Miss Samoa Pageant. This remarkable event not only showcases the grace and the elegance of Samoa's young women, but also serves as a platform to celebrate their courage, intelligence, talents, and aspirations. In a world that is rapidly changing, we recognize the importance of nurturing leadership, self-confidence, and a strong sense of cultural identity. The Miss Samoa Pageant embodies these ideals, empowering young women to take the center stage, making their voices heard and contribute meaningfully to the society and share the culture and unique identity with this world. It is a testament to the strength and the vibrancy of our nation's heritage and traditions, and we are proud to play a part in this incredible journey. As we unveil the 10 remarkable contestants who will be vying for the title of Miss Samoa, let us remember that each of these women represents the potential within us all. They exemplify the values that make Samoa strong: determination, innovation, and dedication to making a positive impact. These contestants will undoubtedly inspire positive change in their communities and beyond. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the contestants who have earned their place in this prestigious stage. Your dedication, hard work, and commitment have brought you here today, and we cannot wait to witness the incredible journey that lies ahead. To the Samoan Tourism Authority, Onomea Productions, various partner sponsors, and the entire Miss Samoa organizing team, thank you for your unwavering dedication and commitment to making this event a reality. Together, we are creating an environment where the aspirations of young women can flourish and where dreams are transformed into reality. In conclusion, let us celebrate the spirit of unity, diversity, and progress that the Miss Samoa Pageant embodies. I am certain that these extraordinary contestants will undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on our hearts and inspire us all. Thank you, and may the journey of these 10 remarkable young women illuminate our path towards a brighter, more empowered future of Samoa. Papatai te lelao.
Papatai lava role. On behalf of Onomea Productions, allow me to offer a few words of gratitude and heartfelt thanks. Well, what a wonderful day it is to actually arrive here today at this auspicious occasion that marks us embarking on a different part of the journey that we've been a part of over the last few months. Onomea Productions is indeed humbled at the opportunity that we've been given to provide this service for our nation. To the STA board and chair, we want to thank you ever so much for entrusting us with the leadership of this event. To our naming rights sponsor, Digicel, we cannot thank you enough. And we look forward to fulfilling this journey over the next few weeks. There are so many others who've also contributed to the immense success that we're about to launch this afternoon. Many sponsors, many people without whom today would not have been possible. And as we prepare to support our current reigning Miss Samoa Helani, as she announces the names of the next 10 who will vie for the title, Onomea Productions wants to convey our absolute joy at being a part of the journey that continues to privilege Te Maitai Samoa and of course honour our culture and our heritage. Papitai te lava to the media for your presence and the work that you do in supporting Onomea Productions, and of course as we move together to serve our nation through this platform that empowers, enables, and continues to uplift young women, Te Maitai Samoa, emerging young leaders of Samoa today and as we go forward. Praise God for everything that we've achieved. And now, without further ado, Helani, it is your turn. Papetai te le lava.
Pele Samoa, o opa ia ma o mamau, whaane manu, whaane mamo, whaane tale lelei. Nuu watu ia, whaatini o tausala. E ia te au le alva, ma le whaalo aluau, tele. E whaalo I loa atu, ai te maitai o Samoa. Le a sa ili ai le tausala o le atunuu. Talofa and warm greetings Samoa from the headquarters of the fastest mobile network in Samoa and our Miss Samoa naming rights sponsor, Digicel. It is my pleasure as your reigning Miss Samoa 2022 to 2023 to officially announce on behalf of the chairman of the Miss Samoa Pageant and Minister of Samoa Tourism, Honorable Toisulusulu Cedric Schuster, the Samoa Tourism Authority as the custodians of the Miss Samoa Pageant, the organizers of the pageant Onomea Productions, to officially announce the Digicel Miss Samoa Contestants for 2023. These intelligent, resilient, and brave Te Maitai Samoa will embark on a once-in-a-lifetime journey and search for the next guardian for the prestigious Miss Samoa title that represents a calling for service, tautua, love, and compassion for our people and our country. Our journey, a journey that will officially begin on the 27th of August to the 10th of September 2023. Before I announce the contestants, I personally want to congratulate each and every one of these amazing Te Maitai, their sponsors, families, and friends. I am so proud of each and every one of you, and I will do my best to support you. I also humbly ask our beloved Samoa, in Samoa and abroad, to support our girls in their Miss Samoa journey. They are all winners and rely on your positive, reaffirming, and encouraging support, both in person and online. They are all daughters of our Samoa, and whoever is chosen to represent our country, she will have our blessing as a nation. I experienced firsthand the blessings and rewards of being the custodian of the Miss Samoa title for 12 months. It is a prestigious status I carry for life, and I am truly humbled for the opportunity to serve my beautiful Samoa. What I also experience is the challenges that comes with competing and carrying this title. I sincerely do not wish these challenges on any contestants, let alone any Te Maitai Samoa, who is first and foremost a daughter, a sister, a niece, and precious child of her family. This Miss Samoa pageant is a national platform to inspire, to motivate, nurture, and strengthen our Te Maitai Samoa. Let us demonstrate this so more young women are not fearful to participate, but see the value of this platform to dream, grow, and with God reach their fullest potential as a protector of our culture and positive role models for our youth. With that said, the 2023 Digicel Miss Samoa contestants are, in alphabetical order according to their first names, Cherish Wha'amanu Ma'anaya, Miss Samoa, New Zealand, Miss Helen Tofaiu Vera, Isutola, Brazil, Sarah Purcell, Miss Arile Patoa, Miracle Afale, Miss Samoa Association, Sign Language Interpreters. So be mindful that this is the first person with a disability to enter the Miss Samoa pageant. Victoria Chelsea Lumina Tulaet Tia Miss Manuel Moe Moana Safatua Nicolina Sylvia Ciael Tashana Lee Opelu, Miss Lava Couture, Vaile Von Dickland, Miss These are the 10 Tamaita'i Samoa who will be representing all our women and girls in the search for the next custodian of the Miss Samoa title 2023 to 2024. The Digicel Miss Samoa pageant for the first time will occur in 2 separate days. The premiere night on the 6th September 2023 for all in front of the government building in Elefo. The crowning night will be on the Saturday, 9th of September, Tornamato Sports Complex Gym 1. This is the only information I can release at this moment, so stay tuned. It's going to be an amazing Miss Samoa pageant. Receive updates on the Miss Samoa page, our Digicel Samoa Facebook page. For more information, feel free to email info.onomia@gmail.com.
Samoa, introducing the Digicel Samoa Contestants in celebration of the 2023 Samoa Festival. Cherish Wha'amanu Miss Samoa, New Zealand. Helen Vera Isutola, Brazil. Carmeli Sarah Purcell, Miss Arile Couture. Miracle Afile, Miss Samoa Association of Sign Language Interpreters. Moiloto Vitolia Chelsea Wilhelmina Tula Epatitia, Miss Lototau Agency. Moana Safatoa Shrinky, Miss Samoa, New South Wales. Nicolina June Akoi, Miss Apia Insurance Company. Siliba Siaea. Tashana Lee Opelu, Miss Lavash Couture. Vaile English, Miss Jazz Samoa. The Digicel Miss Samoa Premier Night will be on Wednesday, 6th September for all in front of the government building, Elefo. And crowning night will be on Saturday, 9th September, Tornamato Sports Complex, Gym 1. Proudly brought to you by Digicel Samoa, connecting our people and communities together. Better together with Digicel.
Members of the media, thank you ever so much for your presence today. Here ends the announcement that we endeavoured to have at this moment, and we thank you ever so much for your presence this afternoon. Whakatau tele lava.
Ya, na lo whaftai, mamanu o tātou whasala. I se vai manu